brand performance today is more challenging than ever. And I'm sure a lot of you in this area have faced this before. There's a ton of competitive and access challenge. So multiple brands across the industry doing the same thing, while at the same time, payers are actually honing in on some of those pressures to ensure that access is more limited or cost drivers are less effective. So what do we need to do? How can we leverage AI and how can we leverage technology to ensure we don't have missed opportunities? Another example is there's an increased data breadth and depth. So we have more data than ever at increased granularity, and we're not necessarily mining it effectively at the right speed. Or to mine it effectively, we actually need a large volume of people, data scientists, analysts, that are not actually tagging along with our cost pressures. So what does this lead to? Missed opportunities, costly mistakes, budget cuts. So we took a step back and actually thought through. We've been working very closely with Tellius in the augmented analytics space for the last few years, but last year was a big one for us. And as you all know, there was a generative AI boom, right? We've launched ChatGPT, everyone's into this. So we took a step back and started thinking about what have we learned in 2023 and how are we going to change 2024 and what do we recommend to our clients moving forward as we think about 2024 and how to use these capabilities. And what we've been looking at is traditional reporting is evolving. And it's evolving to leverage natural language, alert and insight generation, driver analyses that are automated into these tool sets so that we can make more decisions and democratize that analytical capability. All of these features that you see on the screen are something that Tellius does today, and now being wrapped around with generative AI copilots to execute and support that. So what we're going to show you is how all of these come together to ensure that we're mitigating the risks of the industry that's evolving.
We are an augmented analytics or an AI-powered analytics platform. And as such, one of the key kind of horizontal use cases of our platform is the ability to self-serve answers, to query your massive interconnected data seamlessly in natural language, and to democratize the access to that and the ability to create those on-the-fly analyses, dashboards, predictive analytics. Even we have machine learning modeling baked into our platform. Within the brand insights, performing brand performance analysis and augmenting that. So quickly pulling in patient profiles and identifying segments, identifying treatment patterns and sources of your business. Second area is competitive tracking. So we actually have a baked-in market share analysis capability in our platform. You can ask in natural language, how's our market share compared to, brand X? And it will pick up on that and automatically display that to you, as well as the underlying reasons that Arvid showed you, the drivers of that market share change. I think where a lot of traditional analytics tools fall over when it comes to the why, and also when it comes to the what should you do next with that data, what's the action or the decision that needs to be made. Third area is product launch analytics. With Tellius, you can monitor your launch activities and you can benchmark how your drug is doing compared to previous launches and previous drugs in market, and course correct faster. Again, on all of your live data. One of the key trends in 2023 and 2024 is that omni-channel approach, right? The fact that it is multivariate, that you have multiple data sources from different areas constantly changing, and the fact that you need this 360 view to be able to better target, segment, and promote to your constituents.